Hi guys, Debbie here. I'm coming at you with a little bit collaboration. Hosted by Antonet of Decorating Aunt's Place. And her co-hosts are Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor and Sule of My Style, My Colors. And Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY. So they ask us to put a little decorating in pink for um, a spring slash Easter decor. So this is what I came up with. So let's go. I decorated my front little hallway where you go out to the porch. So this is what I put together for you guys. Of course, the big Easter bunny on the door. I have that for many, many years, probably like maybe over 10 years. So let's show you what I came up with. So it's a little dark, but I will turn off the light. The reason why it's dark is I want you to see the fairy lights and everything else. So this is what I came up with. Sorry, that's my shadow. Let's turn on the light, and here we go. I decided to use this card. I have twisted this card this past summer. So I decided to put it on top of my fireplace. So in here, you guys see my pewter candle holders. Those are very heavy. Those were a gift from my sister-in-law many, many years ago. And she had them for many, many years. So on top, you could see the two fairy lamps that I drifted. I found them apart. So it was like maybe 6 months ago and about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So, and over here, I have some greenery that I decided to put a little bunny, and he's a clam bunny, and I also put up a few little eggs. So, and over here in my little table, I also have another fairy light that I drifted with a little Easter bunny tree. And I also drifted a little tree, and it came with all those decorations. And in the back, which is kind of way far back there, and let me show you guys right here in the front. And in here, I have a mother dressing her little baby, and yes, she's dressed in pink. The reason why I have my little figurines out is because you guys know when spring comes, we like to wear our dresses. I know I do. So that's why I put them on there. And I also am using this beautiful scarf, which it was a gift from my YouTube sister, Nita May. So she also has a channel, and her channel is Neat Rame. So, and in here, in front of my fireplace, I have a DIY that I put together. I put that, I think it was last spring or the spring before that. And in here, it has a little nest that I DIY some paper mache eggs, and I put it in there. So also, I decided to put my fairy light branches that I also drifted about maybe last year. I have two of those, so I decided to use one because they're very bright. So, and also I changed my picture frame, and of course, like I told you guys, sorry about the glare from the light. Spring pink, beautiful dresses. So let me see you guys, the little girl, and then her mommy in the background. But yeah, this is what it looks like with all the pink and the flowers. So I love these frames. But all my friends in my house, they're drifted. And of course, I have this arrangement that I put together about maybe a year or so ago. So I like to keep adding little things. Like I added the Easter eggs that I got from the Dollar Tree. So, and also I found this Dollar General, which says Hello Spring. And then as you guys could see back there, I have more figurines with mommies and babies. And then on the other side, I have another one too. So guys, this is my pretty in pink how to decorate a little space in your home for Easter. I mean, this is not the only thing that's decorated in my house for Easter. My whole house is decorated for Easter. So I just want to show you guys this, and then eventually I will show you another place. So guys, thank you. Let me come here and say hello. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, this is a collaboration. I have my cheat sheet. So hosted by Antonet of Decorating Aunt's Place and co-host Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor and Sule, My Style, My Colors, and Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY. So guys, I hope you like it, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I want to say until the next one. Take care, be blessed, stay safe, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.